It's another day for my photo tour in the Dolomite Mountains, and today I decided to show you a hike that we're doing. We're going to shoot the sunset, but the clouds are having another plan. The forecast says also a little bit of rain. I hope that the rain will go around us, but even though we might not see the sunset, the dramatic atmosphere from the Dolomites is something that you can't overlook. I mean, there is no excuse for you not to go and photograph, no matter the weather.
Make no mistake, this isn't a song for you, just a collection of words to write before I fall asleep.
Our first goal is to go through this trail and around this hill in order to continue the hike over these rocks over here.
The choices I make are all I'm afraid to lose. Try to forget the empty promises I keep. Cause to me we're the right time, right place, wrong decision. Sometimes you decide to know the things you can't believe. We lay here with our eyes closed, old souls begging forgiveness.
At this point we are starting to see our final destination, which is to cross over this ridge over here. And again, let's hope that the rain won't stop us.
The light of the sun will come take you away from me. Make no mistake, it's not that I trusted you, it's that I put my fragile heart into your hand. And there you were, a rebel beside yourself, a shadow of loss, a sight in the light that I can't stand. To me you were the right time, right place, wrong decision. Sometimes you decide to know the things you can't believe. We lay here with our eyes closed, old souls begging forgiveness. The light of the sun.
We reached the top of the ridge and that will be our sunset spot. But right now we're going to continue our trail in that direction, just to see what's in the distance. Well, I know in the distance it's a really big mountain, but I want to get it much closer. In the meantime, I'll use the telephoto lens to take some shots from here, and I'll show it to you in a minute. Mainly because I have a really big diagonal mountain in the front of it, which is in darkness, and the mountain being in the light, it will create a really strong contrast. This looks cool.
Make no mistake, this isn't a song for you, just a collection of words to write before I fall.
So we started moving and we are going to a really small lake, and then we hope to reach an edge from where we can have a beautiful panorama and then return here in time for the sunset. The big minus is that we'll have a lot to hike in order to reach the car, and we will be probably in the dark by the time we reach the car. At some point, some of these details really don't matter, because the view and the experience that you're having the way these mountains make you feel, compensate for everything. It doesn't matter the cold or, I mean, you can't see it on the wide lens, but over there it's an incredible shot. I mean, I will take it and you will and discuss it a little bit because it's really incredible, and I'll hurry just to capture the light. It's so fantastic.
Indeed, fantastic.
This
You
looks so good.
amazing.
You amazing
And
little
last
thing.
year over there.
The choices I make are all I'm afraid to lose. Try to forget the empty promises I keep. Cause to me we're the right time, right place, wrong decision. Sometimes you decide to know the things you can't believe. We lay here with our eyes closed, old souls begging forgiveness. The light of the sun will come take you away from me. Make no mistake, it's not that I trusted you. It's that I put my fragile heart into your hand. And there you were, a rebel inside yourself, a shadow of lost, a sight in the light that I can't stand. To me you were the right time, right place, wrong decision. Sometimes you decide to know the things you can't believe. We lay here with our eyes closed, old souls begging forgiveness. The light of the sun will come and take you away from me.
Just flew the drone and you saw for yourself how incredible this landscape, this entire plain where we are right now looks. Unfortunately my finger got frozen and I had to land the drone back, and now we are moving towards the lake hoping to shoot a reflection. I really don't know if this will be the case until I reach the place and analyze it with my keen photographer eye. The eye of the photographer. They should make a song of this. It's the eye of the landscape photographer, and the video should be something like the eye of the landscape photographer.
You want to use your footage or footage from Rocky?
No, I'll run up there and then.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow. You need stuff to do and stuff to laugh at while you are hiking from one place to another. Otherwise, it will be really boring. It's not only talk about photography. Take a look again at this. Through here. Come. I told you to come to these rocks because you were like this and it would have looked perfect for the vlog. The reason we are coming down here to the really edge of the lake, we can't get near the lake because there's a swamp around it, but I want to use this water as a foreground and then capture the entire valley in one shot.
Another touch to feel. You were just another place to spend the night. You were just another kiss to steal. Looking back, we
So let me
knew
show
it
you
wasn't.
the frame before I show you the final result. Let me show you how it looks on location. It's something like this. Something like this. And with the use of gradiated filters, like Christian here is using, it turns out really dramatic right inside the camera. I don't think it needs too much post-processing. I'm here with the crowd. But I think I'm gonna try another one from standing up and having the water lower, just to see how it looks.
There you were, a rebel beside yourself, a shadow of lost, a sight in the light.
After we
that
shot
I can't
these wide shots over here, I also tried to go through the swamp near the lake and got something interesting. Unfortunately, the fog was too low and the mountain was not visible. The moment of sunset, it's closing in, so we need to position ourselves. Although the fog that is coming gives us a 50-50% on having a sunset.
To me, you were the right time, right place, wrong decision. Sometimes you decide to know the things you can't believe.
The others descended?
Right now.
Oh.
Adrian, can I keep your tripod?
Sorry?
Can I keep your tripod?
Oh, he forgot a tripod. Everyone, we have a tripod. Who offers $10, $10, $10, $12, $10. Okay.
Thank you very much.
George, and it's official, it's on video.
Yeah, it's mine. You should get one of those stickers. Adrian was here.
So this is the sunset spot, and as you can see, it's really foggy. Unfortunately, the vlog will end here because of this, and this is again another lecture from nature that you can't control it, you can't control the weather, and the best you can do is to enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're here for the first time for more videos like this, and until next time, keep on photographing. It's the only way that you can get better. Bye bye.
We lay here with her eyes closed, old souls begging forgiveness. The light of the sun will come and take you away from me.